SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com is going to show you how to forward a text on iPhone. We're going to go through the entire process, so you'll be able to find and forward an existing text message or iMessage on your iPhone to another person. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. Occasionally, you will receive a text message on your iPhone that you would like to share with another person. Instead of copying and pasting that message into the other conversation, or taking a screenshot and sending the picture, you could instead use the forwarding option in the Messages app. This process can be pretty quick and is a useful way to share information in a text message. So let's jump into our video about how to forward a text on iPhone. If you want to forward a text message on your iPhone, then there's a quick way to do it. Start by opening the Messages app, then choosing the conversation that contains the message you wish to forward. You can then tap and hold on that message, choose the More option, then tap the forward icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then enter the phone number or contact name into the To field and tap the Send button. To summarize, when you want to forward a text message on an iPhone, you need to open the Messages app, select the conversation containing the message that you wish to forward, tap and hold on that message, touch the More option, select the forward icon at the bottom right of the screen, then enter the phone number or contact name into the To field and tap the Send arrow. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.